Hello, today we will see how to draw a line in AutoCAD. Okay, so to draw a line in AutoCAD, we can start the line command from our keyboard by using L enter in shortcut command, or else we can also write like line line then enter. Then it is asking to specify the first point of the line. Okay, so see, you can see that as I'm moving my mouse, so the coordinates are constantly changing. It is showing in the below and also uh, along with my cursor. Okay, so see, now what I have to do is I have to specify the first point. So I can specify the first point from my by clicking on the left button on my mouse. Say, see, I want to start from here. Okay, so left click on my mouse. So it has already, the line has already started. Now it is asking to specify the next point. That is, to I can specify the next point by using my mouse. Again, I have to say I want to make a line up to this point. So I have to click on the left hand side of my mouse. Right. Okay. So line has already drawn. Now it is again asking to specify the next point. If I want to draw another line from that point, then I have to mention the dimension, or else I can press the escape key from my keyboard. Okay, now again I am interested to draw a line by using the shortcut command like L enter. I didn't write line the full command. Okay, I wrote the only L enter. Okay, now again it is asking to specify the first point. So now I want to start the line from 0 0 coordinates. Okay, that means x1 should be 0 and y1 should be 0. So it is quite difficult to find the exact position of the 0 0 coordinate. So what I can do is I can enter the 0 tab 0 from my keyboard, then enter. So line has already started. Okay, so now I want to specify the length of the line. Okay, I want to draw a line of 2000. Okay, 2000. Now here no need to specify the units. Okay, units need to be settled from another option before drawing the line. Later I will show. Okay, so I have already specified here the length of the line. Now I have to specify the another thing, that is angle. Then I have to press tab from my keyboard. Now it is, as my mouse is moving, so it is the angle is also changing constantly. If I want to draw this line specifically at an angle of 45 degree, then I entered that 45 from my keyboard and then press enter. Okay, so line has already drawn at an angle of 45 degree. Okay, then I can close this command from the by clicking on the escape key, or else by right click on my mouse, then enter. Then the line is already drawn. Okay, what is another thing? Another thing is another way of approach to draw a line from this toolbox. Okay, from this toolbox I can click here. Now I am drawing the straight lines. Okay, so now it is again asking specify first point. So 100 tab 100, x1 equals to 100 and y1 equals to 100. Enter. Okay, the line has already started. See, this was the 0 0 coordinate, and now this is the 100 and 100 coordinates. Okay, I'm zooming this point by scrolling up and down from my mouse. Okay, so line has already started. Now it is asking to specify again, to specify the next point again. So I can specify the next point. Thousand tab at an angle of again 40, sorry, okay, 30 degree. Okay, then enter. See, the line I drawn, the latest one is this one. Okay, so this is of 1000 length. Now this 1000 doesn't, I didn't set the any units against this one. Okay, so to set the unit, I have to go to format, from their units, from the format, from their units. So it is showing that insertion scale, by default it is set as millimeters. In your case, you can find that by default it is set as inches. Whatever the units you want to specify, you can specify from this list. Okay, or you can also set as it is as unitless. Whenever you will take the printout, then according to the scale and the paper size, it will automatically set. Okay, or you can also specify in text what is the dimension exactly. Okay, so now in my case, now I will not change it, I will keep it as millimeter, then I will press OK. Fine. Now I went in the units command from the format to units, right? Now I will again go to the units command from the short, by using the shortcut key from my keyboard, that is UN, enter. Okay, again I came to the same commands, the drawing units. Okay, see here you can see that this angle, under this angle section there is a option of clockwise, which is already unchecked. That is, now see, I drawn a line of 1000 at an angle of 35 degree, and this one is 2000 at an angle of 45 degree. So see, you can see that if this one is a 0 degree, then it is the anti-clockwise direction. It is in anti-clockwise direction, right? So if you are interested to put the angle in clockwise direction, that means you will, if you put 35 degree, that should be counted in anti-clockwise direction, then sorry, in clockwise direction, then you have to check it. Okay, otherwise keep it as it is as per by default settings. Okay, again I will draw another line. So if you forgot this, the if you forget the line shortcut command from the keyboard of line, or if you didn't find any this toolbox from here, then you will obviously get this line command under the draw section. Okay, under this draw section, you have to click line, then again you can start from anywhere, like see from here, then 3000, and then minus 90 degree. So it came in this direction as I put there minus 90 degree. And again escape to go out from that comment. Again I'm taking the line comment. I start the line. Now it is asking to specify the next point. See, now it is flexible as I'm moving my mouse in the screen, and it is rotating in flexible way. Like if you want to, if you just restrict cursor orthogonally, this option, if this version is checked, that is on. Okay, if this one is in on condition, you can make it on also from the keyboard. So you can see it is showing that you have to press F8 from your keyboard. Okay, then what will happen, if you move your mouse, it will not change its angle, only 90 degree, 180 degree, 270, that means minus 90, and again 0. You can only draw a line along with only in these 4 angles from your keyboard. Okay, you can't draw a line at an angle of 45 degree from your mouse, but that doesn't mean that you will not be able to draw a line at an angle of 45 degree when this orthographic mode is on. Okay, when the orthographic mode is on, if you want to draw a line at an angle of 45 degree, you have to enter the angle and along with the length from the keyboard, what I did earlier. Okay, like 1000 at an angle of 35 degree, right? Then again escape. So whatever I have told, that is the line command to create a straight line segment. Okay, so there are different types of line available here. So to draw the polyline, create a 2D polyline, that is 2-dimension polyline. You can start this from here on this polyline. Okay, whenever you will start this polyline, that is P line. Okay, that is known as P line. Then it is again asking to specify the start point, like y is the straight line command. Again I can start by clicking on my mouse, left click on my mouse, or else from the keyboard also. See, I'm entering 0, 0. Okay, tap. So line has already started. Okay, so now it is asking to specify the next point. Okay, but this polyline, if I want to thicken this line, okay, so I have to click on here, or else see, I can click over here, or else see, on the polyline I just started from 0, tab 0. Okay, okay, just see, I'm starting from here. Okay, now I can click on here, see, I clicked on here. So it is asking to specify the starting width from where the line was started. So I have to specify the starting width. Okay, so what is the starting width? I want to make it as 100 millimeter. Okay, then I pressed enter. Now it is asking to specify the ending width. Ending width, wherever the line will end, at that point what would be the width of the line. So again I am entering 100, that is uniform width. If you want to make it non-uniform, then you can press 50. Okay, enter. See, the this at this portion line, the width of the line is higher, and at this portion wherever I will end my line, there the width of the line is less. If you want to change it, you can go to width, then specify starting width. It would be 100. Again, the ending width would be 100. See, now it is uniform. Okay, whatever you want to draw, you can do. Okay, so now it is asking to specify the next point. Again, likewise, the line command. So I would enter 3500 at an angle of 180 degree. Okay, so line is drawn. See, it is thickened line. Okay, now from this portion I will draw a line at an angle of 19 degree. Okay, so what I will do is I will click on width. What would be the starting width? I want to keep it as it is. Okay, then specify the ending width. It is asking, I would put here as 0. Now it is asking specify the next point. See, now I would like to draw this line, this current line up to this point. This point means not directly from here to here. I would like to end the line parallel to this point. Okay, so what I will do is again I will start. I will start PL from here. Okay, I would press from the keyboard like W. What is the starting width? 100. Then what is the ending width? 0. Now it is asking to specify the next point. So as the length of this line was 3000, I will press 3000 at an angle of 90 degree. Okay, now I can draw freely, like from there I can click on here. Okay, okay, So you can see that here the width of the line is 100 millimeter, and here the width of the line is 0. So you can also draw an arrow by using this PL command also, or else you can there is another command to draw the arrow. So now I will again start a line from here. Okay, now as it is in orthographic mode is on, so from my mouse I can draw only the perpendicular lines, that means I mean 90 degree to 180 degree and 270 degree, and again 360 degree. Okay, I can draw the line in this particular angles. So if I want to draw a line up to this point, I can click randomly from here, it will draw this line. Okay, again I'm taking the line from here. If I want to draw up to this point, okay, up to this point, but see my mouse is over here, but the angle is freezed just because of as this ortho mode is on. You can also turn on or off this orthograph mode from your keyboard by using F8. So now, keeping on that orthographic mode, I will draw a line at a particular angle, okay, from the keyboard. So like 2300 was my length of the line, and the angle minus 45. Enter. See, though my ortho mode was on, but I draw a line. I'd already draw a line along with my own choice of angle, along with and also as per my dimension I want to at which I want to draw. Okay, so from here we saw that the line command, polyline command, and the orthographic mode, etc. These are the things I've seen. So as the shortcut command of the line is L, what is the now question will arise, what is the shortcut command of polyline? That is PL. Enter. Okay, so PL, enter. P line, that will that is the PL is the shortcut command of polyline. Okay, okay, thank you.